Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the simple laptop charger into a powerful, versatile tool capable of some truly surprising feats. I'm going to take out this charger and carefully unplug the DC barrel jack from the charger unit. Now, I'll use a utility knife to carefully strip off the outer insulation from the cable. This exposes the inner wires, which are crucial for our project. Next, I will use wire cutters to carefully strip the insulation from both the positive and negative wires inside. This exposes the conductive copper strands. I'll twist these exposed copper strands to ensure they're ready for a secure connection. Now, I'm taking two new wires, one red and one white. To ensure both safety and proper insulation, I'm going to cover these connections. I'll strip a small section of insulation from one end of each wire to expose their copper strands. I'll twist the red wire strands and then the white wire strands, preparing them for joining. Then, I'm connecting the exposed strands of my new red wire to one of the exposed inner wires from the laptop charger, twisting them together securely to ensure a strong electrical contact. I'm using heat shrink tubing, applying heat to make it shrink tightly around each twisted wire junction. I'll repeat this for the white wire, connecting it to the other charger wire. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After that, for extra durability and a neat finish, I'll wrap the entire junction securely with black electrical tape, trimming any excess. Now for the main assembly of our first tool. I'm introducing a spark plug. I'll take a terminal block, carefully disassembling it by removing the screws and the small metal contact from inside. These metal contacts are what we'll be using. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll then attach these precise metal contacts to the central electrode of the spark plug, securing them firmly with the screws I just removed. After adjusting the spark plug, I took the red wire from the laptop charger adapter and connected it to one of the two newly installed metal contacts on the spark plug. I made sure it was securely connected to create a stable electrical path. This connection is crucial for the tool to function correctly. For added stability and insulation, I'm carefully wrapping this entire spark plug connection with red electrical tape. This ensures the wires stay in place and prevents any accidental shorts. Next, I have a used AA battery. I'm carefully peeling off its label and using pliers to remove the end caps. This allows me to access the internal components, specifically the carbon rod that runs through the center. I'll extract this carbon rod and give it a good clean with a tissue to remove any residue. This carbon rod will be the core of our next DIY tool. Then I'm inserting the clean carbon rod into the chuck of my drill, tightening it securely. This prepares it for rotational tasks. I'm using a piece of sandpaper to meticulously sharpen the end of the rod. The sharp end is crucial for precisely concentrating heat at the weld point, allowing for clean and efficient spot welds. I remove the carbon rod from the drill. I will attach the carbon rod to the connector block on the spark plug and tighten it to form a soldering iron. I'll connect the remaining charger wire to a second crocodile clip. These clips will provide flexible connections for various electrical applications. This completes the wiring for our second heating tool, ready to be powered up. I'm reconnecting the laptop charger's DC barrel jack. to the main charger unit, and then plugging the entire charger unit into a power strip. This provides the necessary power to our repurposed tools. Now, let's see what these creations can do. Watch closely as I test the spark plug heating tool. The soldering iron heats up instantly, glowing bright red. I'll use an old AA battery and secure it upright on the block of wood with alligator clips. I'm going to cut a thin piece of metal wire and prepare to solder it to the AA battery. When I touched the soldering iron to the piece of metal, the iron glowed and emitted heat, melting the metal and attaching it to the AA battery. Next, I'll experiment with these two wires. I used alligator clips and attached them to the exposed copper wire. Similarly, I touched the soldering iron to the copper wire, and it melted, securely joining the two wires together. This creates a highly flexible setup for diverse, high-heat applications. I'm getting some razor blades ready for a dramatic demonstration. See how it instantly heats up and melts through this tough razor blade? This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can achieve amazing things and tackle tasks you never thought possible. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.